Hey guys, Rich Spezzano here from Digitally Fearless. 2.5 years ago, I did a video and it was the only time I was on camera. And I thought it was important enough to be on camera because I was trying to convince people to switch from Photoshop to Affinity Photo. And I did my 20 tips of Affinity Photo and it got the most views, probably more than 200 videos that I've done. You should check that out. It's in the description below and the video is still relevant and still getting views. The reason I'm on camera again is because the comments I kept getting was Affinity Photo doesn't do 3D like Photoshop does, and Affinity Photo doesn't do 3D lighting. Well, Adobe just made an announcement. It's September of 2021, and they announced that Photoshop will no longer support 3D in lighting and just 3D in general. So now there's no excuse. Affinity does just about everything that Photoshop does. It reads and writes Photoshop files. It has smart objects, just like Photoshop. It has everything, and it's faster than Photoshop. Why pay $9.99 a month when you could pay one price and you own the software? It's professional software, and you can use it for just about anything. So as you can see, I'm not comfortable being on camera, but I felt it was important to tell you this. I know a lot of you have been watching my channel, and I have 200 some odd videos, and I've had 500,000 views, but many of you have not subscribed, so please, I hope you will subscribe. These videos are free and they do take time to do, and I really appreciate even your comments, everything that you tell me about. I love hearing back from you. So thanks so much and have a great day.